Hi there. Thanks for joining us today. If you're considering purchasing a dash cam, you're in the right place. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to figure out which one is the best fit for you. That's why we've put together this video to help you make an informed decision and choose the right dash cam for your needs. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or something with all the bells and whistles, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to think about the features that are important to you. You need GPS tracking. Is a rear view camera a must-have? How much storage do you need? There are dash cams available with a wide range of features, so it's important to make a list of your priorities and look for a model that meets those needs. Next, you'll want to consider the size and placement of the dash cam. A smaller, discrete model may be a good choice if you don't want the camera to be too noticeable, while a larger model may offer more advanced features. You'll also want to think about where you'll be placing the dash cam, on the dashboard, on the windshield, or somewhere else entirely. When it comes to price, you'll want to have a budget in mind as dash cams can range from around $50 to over $200. It's important to find a model that fits within your budget, but keep in mind that you may need to pay a little extra for features like GPS tracking or a rear view camera. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget if necessary to get the features that are important to you. Finally, you'll want to consider the quality of the footage and the durability of the dash cam. Look for a model with a high-resolution camera and a sturdy build, as you want a dash cam that will last and provide clear, reliable footage in the event of an accident. In summary, when choosing a dash cam, consider the features you need, the size and placement of the camera, the price, and the quality and durability of the footage. With these factors in mind, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect dash cam for your needs.